Hello, today I'm going to show you how to do a rolled hem with a rolled hem foot. So this is a rolled hem foot. On the front it has this little part that pushes the fabric into a turn, a double turn if that makes any sense. So let's go ahead and attach that. And then our needle right now, if we put it down, would actually hit that foot. So we need to move it over to the center position. Then we can go ahead and take our fabric. There's a few different ways of putting it into the machine. You can start it out at this end, doing a complete roll. I think that's kind of tricky if I'm being totally honest. So what I like to do is go down to the end of the fabric and I push it over about 1/8 of an inch, maybe. And I just crease it with my thumb. This works especially well if it's a cotton. And then I'm going to turn it over 1 more 1/4 inch and crease it again. Okay, and now that it's already turned, I'm going to put that all the way back and I'm going to raise my lower my needle onto that. So hopefully you can see that the fabric is turned twice down here and the needle is holding it in place. At that point, I can work my fabric into the front of the foot by just lifting it up. See how easy that is? Literally just pick the edge up and it's going to turn itself into there. Then I'll lower the foot. Let me get this set up. And we can go ahead and start. Now you don't typically want to back stitch with these. I would tie my ends off with this foot, and also make sure that your fabric is lined up with this edge here. You don't want it to be like halfway through, or you might only end up getting 1 turn on the bottom. And if you hold it too far over, you might have part of this edge sticking out in your turn, something like that. And we don't want that either. So keep it right up against this little line that comes in the foot. It guides it just perfectly for us. And there you have it. Ta-da! Love it.